Looking for a compact Japanese car for sale in Pakistan that is fuel-efficient, feature-loaded, and perfect for city driving? This Suzuki Hustler 2015 push-start might be the best mini SUV option for daily use. Stay till the end to hear the final price and full condition details. Welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for used cars in Pakistan, Japanese imported cars for sale, or a small car with big features, this video is for you. Today we are reviewing a Suzuki Hustler 2015, registered 2018, in black with white roof, a very popular two-tone color combination. This car is perfect for people who want a stylish K car, easy to drive in traffic, and low-maintenance daily driver. Let's talk about the exterior condition. The car has an outer shower, while the interior is original and well kept. The LED headlights with projection lamps and fog lights give great visibility at night and add a premium look. The car is fitted with rims and good condition tires, giving it a sporty stance on the road. Overall, the car looks neat and presentable for anyone looking for a clean Japanese import in Pakistan. Inside, you get a comfortable sofa-style seat setup with heated seats, which is a rare and premium feature in this category. The Android TV panel is installed for navigation, music, and videos. The multifunction steering wheel, power windows, power steering, and retractable side mirrors add daily convenience. The climate control AC cools the cabin quickly, making this car ideal for hot weather driving. If you're searching for a feature-loaded small car, this one checks many boxes. Now the most important part, engine and drive. This car has an engine change, and the current engine is perfect, smooth, and responsive. The gear shifting is smooth, the suspension is solid, and the car offers a comfortable ride on city roads and uneven streets. The push-start system works perfectly, and overall the car is truly buy and drive with no work required. If you're looking for a reliable used Japanese car, this Hustler is a strong option. This Suzuki Hustler is ideal for daily commuting, city driving, family use for small families, and even for students or office users who want a fuel-efficient, easy-to-park car. People searching for best small cars in Pakistan, Japanese K cars, or budget mini SUV will love this option. The final price is 2,075,000 PKR. Considering the condition, features, and smooth drive, this is a great deal in today's used car market. If you're interested, contact Inbox for details. For more used car reviews in Pakistan, latest car prices, and best car deals, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a low-budget used car in Pakistan that is fuel-efficient, easy to maintain, and perfect for daily city driving, then this video is for you. Today, I am showing you a Suzuki Alto VXR 2003 for sale in Pakistan. This car runs on CNG and petrol, and the AC system is installed. If you want a cheap family car, a budget daily driver, or a starter car, watch this video till the end for full details and final price. Exterior condition. Let's start with the exterior of the car. The overall body condition is fair for a 2003 model. There are touch-ups on about 50% of the body, which is normal for a car of this age. The paint looks decent, and the panels are aligned properly. There are no major dents. The lights and indicators are working fine. If you are searching for a budget used car in Pakistan and you care more about engine condition than fresh paint, this car is a practical option. Interior condition. Now let's move inside. The interior is simple and usable for daily driving. The seats are in fair condition. The dashboard and trims are okay for a car of this age. All basic controls are working. The driving position is easy and comfortable. This car is suitable for office use, ride within the city, and small family travel. If you need a cheap small car for city traffic, this Alto is easy to drive and easy to park. Engine, CNG, and performance. Now let's talk about the most important part, the engine. The engine condition is good and reliable. The car runs on CNG and petrol, so you can switch according to availability and cost. This helps save fuel money for daily commuting. The engine starts smoothly and runs without unusual noise. The pickup is decent for city use. The suspension is okay and comfortable for daily roads. Gear shifting is smooth, and the clutch is light. Overall, the car gives a smooth drive for daily use. AC, comfort and practicality. The AC setup is installed, but the AC is currently not working. You can get the AC gas-filled or serviced if needed. Even without AC, the car is usable for daily short drives. The heater works fine. This car is practical for buyers who want a low-price car and can later spend a little on AC service if required. Fuel average and maintenance. Fuel average on CNG is economical, which is great for daily city travel. On petrol, the average is also reasonable for a small engine car. The maintenance cost is low, and spare parts are easily available in the local market. Any local mechanic can repair this car. This is why Alto is considered one of the best low-maintenance cars in Pakistan. If you want a cheap car to run, this is a good option. Documents and final details. The documents are complete and clear. The car is ready for transfer. This is a budget home-used car suitable for someone who wants a cheap daily driver. You can use this car for office travel, market visits, and short family trips. There is no major work required for daily driving. Final price and closing. The demand is PKR 630,000, which is reasonable for this model and condition. If you are looking for a used Suzuki Alto in Pakistan under budget, this deal is worth considering. For more details and contact information, check the description. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with friends who are searching for a low-budget car in Pakistan. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. This Suzuki Swift 2022 looks like a 0-meter car, but wait till you hear the price. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an urgent car sale in Pakistan. This is a Suzuki Swift 2022 for sale in Hyderabad, GL manual variant. If you are searching for used cars for sale in Pakistan or a car for sale in Hyderabad, then this video is for you. This is a full original car for sale in zero condition and a perfect buy and drive car. Let's talk about the overall condition. This Suzuki Swift 2022 used car is in full genuine condition with clean and original paint. There are no major dents, no accident repairs, and no issues with the body. If you are looking for a family car for sale in Pakistan that is reliable and tension-free, this car is a great option. The exterior looks fresh, and the car has been well maintained by the owner. The mileage of this Suzuki Swift 2022 for sale in Pakistan is 84,000 genuine kilometers, which is normal for daily use. The engine is smooth, powerful, and properly maintained. There is no smoke, no abnormal noise, and no mechanical problem at all. The manual transmission shifts smoothly, the clutch is light, and the car is very easy to drive in city traffic as well as on long routes. This makes it one of the best cars for daily use in Pakistan in this budget. Now let's move to the interior. The cabin is neat, clean, and well kept. The seats are comfortable, the dashboard is clean, and all controls are working perfectly. The air conditioner is chilled and cools the cabin quickly, which is very important for hot weather in Pakistan. If you are searching for a clean used car for sale in Pakistan with no work required, this is a true buy and drive car in Pakistan. The suspension is comfortable, the steering is light, and the brakes are in good condition. The overall driving experience is smooth and stable. This Suzuki Swift GL Manual 2022 is perfect for small families, daily office commute, and city driving. Maintenance cost is low, spare parts are easily available, and fuel economy is also good for a hatchback in this class. Now let's talk about the deal. This is an urgent sale car in Hyderabad with a final demand of 38 lakh. If you are searching online for Suzuki Swift 2022 price in Pakistan or Suzuki Swift for sale in Hyderabad, you will see that finding a full original Suzuki Swift for sale in this condition is not easy. This is one of the best used cars for sale in Pakistan in this price range. So if you want to buy a used car in Pakistan and you are looking for a Suzuki Swift 2022 gallons manual, don't miss this opportunity. This is a genuine family used car with no work required. Just buy and drive. Serious buyers who are searching for a car for sale in Hyderabad can contact Inbox for more details. If you like videos about used cars for sale in Pakistan, urgent car sale, Suzuki cars for sale, and best car deals in Pakistan, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are planning to buy a car. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Toyota Vitz 1.0 2012 registered 2016 outclass condition first owner buy and drive deal smooth drive urgent sale only 26 lakh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am presenting a beautiful Toyota Vitz 1.0 in extraordinary and outclass condition. This is a 2012 model and registered in 2016. The car is key start and is a first owner vehicle. It has been carefully maintained and is ready to drive without any work required. If you are looking for a reliable, economical, and smooth hatchback for daily city use and family driving, this car is a great option for you. Let's start with the exterior condition. The body of the car is in very clean condition and looks fresh on the road. There are only 2 or 3 minor touch-ups on the body, which are hardly noticeable. Other than that, the paint condition is very good and the panels are properly aligned. The engine room is very clean, which shows that the car has been maintained with care. The headlights, taillights, and side mirrors are in excellent condition. The retractable side mirrors with indicator lights add a premium look and extra safety while changing lanes. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. This Toyota Vitz 1.0 comes with its own original and powerful engine. The engine condition is perfect and runs very smoothly. There is no unusual noise, and the pickup is smooth and comfortable for city driving. The gear shifting is perfect and smooth, which makes the driving experience relaxed and easy. The suspension is also in perfect condition, so the ride is smooth even on uneven roads. The engine temperature remains normal even in traffic, and the cooling system works properly. This car is truly a buy and drive option. The fuel average of this car is very good because it is a 1.0-litre engine and throughout petrol. This makes it very economical for daily use. If you are someone who wants to save money on fuel and maintenance, this car is a great choice. The maintenance cost is low, and spare parts are easily available. This makes ownership stress-free for long-term use. Talking about the drive comfort, the steering is light and easy to control. The power steering makes driving and parking very easy, especially in city traffic and tight parking spaces. The brakes are responsive and provide confident stopping power. The car feels stable on the road, and the smooth drive makes daily commuting comfortable and enjoyable. Now let's move to the tires and wheels. New tires have been installed recently, so you don't need to worry about tire replacement anytime soon. The road grip is good, and the car feels planted on the road even at higher speeds. This adds to the safety and comfort of the drive. Moving to the interior condition, the inside of the car is outclass and well maintained. The seats are clean and comfortable. The dashboard is neat, and all meters and switches are working properly. The power windows work perfectly, and all doors open and close smoothly. The air conditioning is chilled and provides strong cooling, which is very important in hot weather. The cabin feels fresh and comfortable for both driver and passengers. The interior condition truly matches the extraordinary exterior condition of the car. This car has original 106,000 kilometers driven, which is genuine mileage. It is a first-owner car, which shows that it has been kept with care. The car has been used on petrol throughout, which is better for engine health and performance. The engine room is very clean, and the overall mechanical condition is perfect. There is no work required at all. Just buy and drive. The car is in extraordinary condition both inside and outside. It is a great option for people who want a Japanese hatchback with smooth drive, excellent fuel average, and low maintenance cost. This Toyota Vitz 1.0 is perfect for daily city use, office commute, and small family use. It is easy to drive, easy to park, and comfortable for long routes as well. The final price of this car is $2,600,000. The price is reasonable according to the condition and features of the car. Serious buyers only, please. No time waste. If you are looking for a clean, well-maintained Toyota Vitz with key start, first owner, perfect engine, perfect suspension, new tires, and outclass interior and exterior, this car is a great deal for you. Overall, this Toyota Vitz 1.0 2012 is a reliable, economical, and comfortable hatchback. It offers smooth drive, chilled AC, perfect gear shifting, power steering, power windows, retractable side mirrors with indicator lights, and a clean engine room. The condition is extraordinary, and the car is truly a buy and drive option. If you want a worry-free daily use car with low fuel cost and strong reliability, this Toyota Vitz is definitely worth considering. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and urgent sale deals, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.